Hello there. Are you ready to make numbers easier to work with? Today, we're going to learn how to round numbers to the nearest 10 and the nearest 100. Rounding is like giving numbers a quick makeover. Let's see how it works. First, let's talk about rounding to the nearest 10. Here's a simple rule to remember. We look at the ones place in the number. If the ones place is 4 or less, we keep the tens place the same and change the ones place to 0. If the ones place is 5 or more, we bump up the tens place by 1 and change the ones place to 0. Let's round 43 to the nearest 10. The ones place is 3. Since 3 is 4 or less, we keep the tens place the same. So, 43 becomes 40. Now, let's round 78. The ones place is 8. Since 8 is 5 or more, we bump the tens place up by 1. The tens place was 7, now it's 8. So, 78 becomes 80. Next, we're rounding to the nearest 100. This time, we peek at the tens place. If the tens place is 4 or less, the hundreds place stays the same, and we change both the tens place and the ones place to 0. If the tens place is 5 or more, we increase the hundreds place by 1 and change both the tens place and the ones place to 0. Let's round 342. The tens place is 4. Since 4 is 4 or less, we keep the hundreds place the same. So, 342 becomes 300. Now, round 587. The tens place is 8. Since 8 is 5 or more, we bump up the hundreds place by 1. The hundreds place was 5, now it's 6. So, 587 becomes 600. Let's practice together. What does 64 round to the nearest 10? Yes, 60. How about 265 to the nearest 100? That's right, 300. You're becoming a rounding wizard. Remember, rounding is all about looking at the right digit and deciding if it stays the same or goes up by 1. Keep practicing, and soon you'll round numbers faster than ever. Catch you next time.